Hey y'all, it's Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be on this BOBIANA from WoWEbony. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye y'all. So this is the finished product. And I'm in love with it. I haven't had a bob like this. Just like a bust down BOBIANA in a very long time. So this is a 12 inches and it is a lace front wig, and it is 150% density, and it has a medium cap, and it is Indian hair. So yeah, super cute. I love this texture. It kind of mimics my natural, like, you know, textured hair. Indian hair always is a lot thicker though, so this 150 feels very full. I'm really here for this. I thought about cutting this part off right here and just having like a blunt cut, but I don't know. Yeah, I still might, because I think I would like that. So I still may cut that off right there. Okay, yeah, I like that better. I like it cut even right there in the front, way better. I like that a lot better. So yeah, this wig is from WoWEbony. I really love it. The quality of this wig was like up there. The construction, all of that. This is a glueless wig. As you guys saw, I did not put this wig down, so she just on my head, but she's really secure. I just tightened the strap. I did secure my ear tabs, just because I don't like those flopping around. Like, it makes me uncomfortable, okay? But this is giving me very much Kim K vibes. Her bob. This is just giving me Kim. Like, I'm in love with this. This is beautiful. Come on, BOBIANA. Kim. And it is very much cute behind the ear as well. Still cute like this, or both sides. Very flexible. I love this. I think this is cute and simple and affordable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.